Welcome to Melber's Weird and Wonderful. Today I'll show you my attempt at fixing an acrylic tumbler. This one started leaking at the rim on my last video, so I couldn't quite finish it. I hope this works out for you, and please let me know what you think of this video, and thanks so much for watching. Alright, so I had this tumbler that was leaking at the rim, so I decided to break it open. I just took one of my little tools here, and there was a little gap in it, and I just followed it along. I'm gonna see if I can re-glue this. I've got some crazy glue here, or some Gorilla Glue I should say, and I thought I'd just try it and see if I can get it to reseal. I doubt I can, but this tumbler's already, if I can't get it to reseal, it's already done, so it's not going to matter if it doesn't work. I'm going to get this super clean as I can get it on the rim, and I'll do the cup too while I'm at it. This cup was used before, so I'm pretty much just experimenting with things, and when things break or go wrong, we just go with it. Okay, so I'm going to wipe this off with some alcohol as well. Then I'll be back and I'll see if I can get this to actually seal. Alright, so all that I'm going to do is just fill up the rim of this with the Gorilla Glue and then put it together and see what happens. I'll just quickly do a little bead on the rim here, just a thin one, just to make sure I didn't miss any spots. Alright. I'm just going to plop the cup right in here and see if this works. Actually, I'm going to put some gloves on here. It's not looking too prosperous, but I'm going to tip this upside down here, and I'm going to let this cure. I'm not sure how long this takes to cure. When I've used that much, might take a few more minutes, so I'll let this do its thing and I'll be back. Alright, so I've let that set up for a while, probably about 20 minutes, and now I'm going to do the water test. Are you ready? I'm not ready. Let's do the water test and pour water everywhere before you do it. Well, if I didn't pour water everywhere, this might look better. I'm making a huge mess. Let's get a new paper towel. I think it's actually not leaking. Surprisingly. I really thought it'd instantly start leaking. I had zero faith in this. It's not leaking. Huh. Well, that actually worked. I'm kind of in disbelief. I didn't honestly think that would work, and it worked. Look at no leaks. Huh. Well, what do you guys think of that? I'm not too sure, but it was just an experiment I wanted to try because I'm tired of having to buy more tumblers. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope that helped, and let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever fixed any of these tumblers successfully. I can say out of all the tries I've done, this is the first one I actually got to not leak. So yeah, thanks so much for watching.